New construction. This beautiful single-family home is just minutes to Navy Base Norfolk and Little Creek, grocery store, lots of restaurants and only a block from the Chesapeake Bay. Warm and inviting open floor plan family room west/gas fireplace, kitchen west/LG island, gas stove, microwave and dishwasher, upgraded soft close cabinets and granite tops, pantry, dining room, powder room and spacious covered deck off the family room. The second floor includes the LG primary bedroom west/vaulted ceiling, ensuite double bowl vanity west/granite top, tiled shower west/glass enclosure and soaking tub. 3 additional generous sized bedrooms, a laundry room and a hall bath west/double bowl vanity, west/granite top. Large fenced in yard. Seller is offering 2% closing cost assistance when the preferred closer is used for settlement. Home is complete,